Welcome to the new Transfer Student Orientation video. The primary goal of this video is to help you register for your first term and give you some tips to plan for the future. The curriculum sheet is your contract. It will always be what's required for your degree. The information from the curriculum sheet is programmed into Bronco Direct and is used to check your degree progress. The reason that I'm showing 4 curriculum sheets on the screen is because the civil engineering department covers 2 programs. Construction engineering and civil engineering. And civil engineering is completed through one of 3 options: the general option, the environmental option, and the geospatial option. The curriculum sheet isn't an easy document to follow since it doesn't provide information about the course sequences that you need to complete throughout the curriculum. So we provide a flowchart for each program and option. When you contact your advisor, it is important that you state your name and which program or option you are on so that we know how to help you best. Let's zoom into the civil engineering general option. Most of you come in having completed all of your math, physics, chemistry, and most of your GEs. Some of you are coming in GE certified. These are the courses grayed out on this chart. However, it would be helpful for you to color in your flowchart all of the courses you've completed before continuing on with the rest of this video. So our first recommendation is complete your math, physics, or chemistry if you have not already done so. If you haven't already completed all of your low division GE courses, meaning GE areas C1, C2, D1, D2, D3, then you should also take a class from one of those areas. If you have, then you still need to complete 12 GE units at Cal Poly. These courses include GSC 3210, Engineering Geology and Lab, IME 4020, Engineering Ethics, and EGR 4050, Role of Design Professionals in Society. The engineering courses you take depend upon which courses you have completed. There is a chain of prerequisites that we call the analysis track, starting with Math 1140, Calculus 1, then Math 1150, Calculus 2, and Physics 1510, Newtonian Physics, and 1510 Lab. With these complete, you can take CE 2041 Static Analysis, which leads to CE 2051 Mechanics of Materials and CE 2061 Fluid Mechanics. And these 2 courses are the prerequisites for many of your civil engineering technical area gateway courses. Technical area gateway, or TAG courses, offer you an introduction to what it is like to practice civil engineering in that specific field of civil engineering. These courses include CE 3401 Geotechnical Engineering, CE 3501 Structural Analysis, and other technical area gateway courses that you can choose as your List 1 elective. We recommend that you take the next course available to you on the analysis chain. In other words, if you've completed your math and physics, then you should enroll in CE 2041 Static. If you've taken statics, then you should take CE 2051, 2061, or both. If you are past 2051 and 2061, then you can start taking CE 3401 or CE 3501. Completing these requirements allows you to take your senior project class. Another important prerequisite chain, what we call the design chain, starts with CE 1001 Civil Engineering Design, which leads to CE 1011 Surveying Engineering. And this will meet the prerequisites for other civil engineering gateway courses such as CE 3601 Transportation Engineering and other List 1 electives such as CE 3101 Construction Engineering or CE 3301 Engineering Geomatics. Another way of looking at your plan is to set a date for when you want to graduate and put your senior project in your final year. Senior project is meant to be your undergraduate culminating experience. In the past, it has taken transfer students 3 years to complete their degree after arriving, so put your senior project starting in fall 3 years from now. Senior project is EGR 4810, 4820, and 4830. The course is taken in your final year and it takes 2 semesters to complete. We offer fall-spring and spring-summer sections. The prerequisites for senior project are CE 2011, 2021, 2051, 2061, and at least 2 courses from the technical area gateway courses, boxed here in green. The reason that I bring up looking at the curriculum with the goal in mind is that sometimes it is easier to create a graduation plan if you have a clear picture of when you want to graduate and then back away from that goal by filling in the requirements to get there. The geospatial and environmental options are very similar to the general options, so I won't cover them here in detail. please feel free to reach out to your advisor if you have any specific questions about those programs. So in summary, we recommend you take a GE course, 1 or 2 courses from the analysis track, 1 or 2 courses from the CAD surveying track, and then you can look to add other classes like IME 3011 Statistics, CE 2070 Programming and Numerical Methods, or one of the electives from List 3 or an upper division elective course approved by your advisor. Now let's take a look at the Construction Engineering Management program. All of the grayed out courses are the GE courses that you probably completed before coming to Cal Poly. If you have not completed all of your GE courses, then you should consider taking one of these grayed out courses. If you have all of them completed, then you should consider taking one of the Upper Division Synthesis GE courses, GSC 3210, IME 4020, or EGR 4050, similar to the civil engineering program. You have an analysis track as well. All of these courses are the same compared with the civil engineering program, just oriented slightly differently on the page. We recommend you take the next course in this chain to wherever you have arrived in your progress. However, in the CEM program, this chain does not lead to your senior project, as it does with the CE program. Within the CEM program, the heart of the construction program is accessed through CE 1001 Construction Drafting and its lab. This course plus your completed math class opens the door to taking Construction Engineering CE 3101 and lab. CE 3101, along with completing CE 1011 surveying, these 2 classes open the door to CE 3121 building systems, CE 3140 estimating, CE 4120 scheduling, and CE 3150 equipment and safety. These courses lead to your senior project class. So in summary, we recommend you take 1 GE course, 1 course along the analysis path, 1 or 2 courses along the main construction path, and 1 other core course such as IME 3011 Statistics.